Yeah, go back to playing with Pele. Go back to playing with Pele. Yeah. Oh, now you're gonna play with my foot? Yeah, what about Pele? What about Pele? Remember you just licked your hand? Don't fall, honey. Where are you going? Where are you trying to go? Mommy's got you with her leg. Look, Pele wants you to pet him. He's purring. Oh. Yeah. You want to grab his hand again? You like his paws? Oh. You want to pet his head? Oh, uh-oh. Aw, he's licking you. Yeah, did you like that? Did you like that? I know, you want the video camera. Uh-oh. Hopefully he's not getting too agitated. I think his tail's not even moving, so that's good. It's 2 minutes already. Why are you playing with my foot, sweetie? Why don't you play with Pele? Oh, boy. Oh, Pele's licking my foot. What's going on here? I can't even get a good angle. Oh, that's good petting. That's good petting, yeah. Yeah, that's good petting. Uh-huh. Good job. Okay, I think he's leaving.